I'm very easily amused at. What time is it?
Don't know.
Something past 3. Oh, 3. It's 3. Is that 15 or 16? 15.
Does it matter?
Yes, because 3:16 is a wrestling reference.
Fuck
Right.
that.
We have these little gadgets. They're called light switches. Julie, put your finger on one.
One of them doesn't work and I can't remember which one. Let's try that one.
I did nothing. Do this one.
No, I did that.
Do this one. No. I pressed. How did I get that one on before? Wait.
That one. Wait.
Oh. Oh. Do the other one.
Ooh.
Oh. Now we can't see anything. Turn it back
That
on.
doesn't do work.
Turn it back on.
It doesn't work.
It's not working.
Stop taking stupid videos. Ryan's like asleep.
Ryan's asleep. Let's go see Ryan. He's sleepy, brah.
He woke up with
Okay.
the camera in his mouth.
You woke up with the camera in my mouth. I'm not going to sing because, 1, I can't sing, and 2, I can't even speak. I especially can't sing with a sore throat.
I'll be back.
I'm not even drunk. I'm just very, very
It's
giddy.
3 o'clock.
I was really upset earlier. Now I'm really hyper. Julie's dying. That sounded like that didn't sound like a healthy cough. Anyway, where are we going next? Grimsby.
You're not putting this on the fucking blog.
I'm putting this on the blog.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
We've gone from stupid to fucking insane. No.
This is going on like as soon as I finish it.
No, it's not. No. 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 Stop it.
Oh! It's like magic. You don't even have to press it. You just touch it. Okay.
How
prove
to
me.
lose followers on Twitter.
Oh! What?
I said how to lose followers on Twitter.
We're not gonna. We keep gaining followers because Fuzzy loves us. Okay. Good night. Oh wow! I didn't mean to do it that bright. Night.